Welcome to this lecture. This lecture is the implementation lecture of selection operations and projection operations. Open XAMPP server, start Apache and MySQL. Open your favorite browser and search localhost phpMyAdmin. Create new database and click here new link. Database name is test data and table name is student. Number of columns are 6. The first column is ID and length is 11. Second column name is name, which is the student name, and length is 30. Third column name city, data type varchar, gender varchar 10. After that, marks integer 10/11, and the last one is that class. Varchar 30. Make sure click here auto increment, go and save the table. So table saved successfully. Go to the insert page and add student here. This is just a simple sample table. So class is ABC. Because ID is auto increment, so skip the ID field, and here name is Hira, city Multan, gender female, marks are 35, class XYZ, and click on go button. So 2 rows inserted successfully. After that, open Sublime editor, click on new file and press Ctrl plus S to save the file, and file name is test SQL.SQL is the extension. So first of all, selection operation. Select all from table name student where ID is equal to 1. Copy the statement, go to console, clear it, make sure test data means test database is selected. So Control plus enter. So selection operation is successfully executed. So we can also add more operators, and class is equal to ABC in single quote and marks greater than 5. This is also selection operator. Paste it here and execute the query. So class ABC and marks less greater than 5. So condition is satisfied in this case where ID is 1 and student name is Fahim Irfan. And now the second one is projection operator. Projection operation same as it is, but we are going to select specific columns like ID, name and class or marks. Copy the query we are going to skip gender here, and also we are going to skip city column. Execute the query, and now look at here, only ID, name, marks and class. These are the 4 columns are selected which are mentioned in SQL query. So this operation is projection operation, in which we are going to select specific columns, and in selection operation we are going to select specific records that are depends on predicates, which means depends on condition. So thank you for watching this video.